to the first episode of our series on the West Philippine Sea and South China Sea. In this series, we delve into one of the most geopolitically significant and environmentally diverse regions in the world. Join us as we uncover the historical context, territorial disputes, economic interests, and environmental concerns that shape this complex and often contentious maritime area. Our first topics today is 12 reasons why the Philippines should be granted the extension of the continental shelf of Palawan Island to deter aggression in the South China Sea, West Philippine Sea. 1. Legal entitlement. The Philippines has a strong legal basis under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, to extend its continental shelf based on geological evidence. 2. Preservation of sovereignty. Granting the extension would reinforce the Philippines' sovereign rights over its maritime territory and resources. 3. Environmental protection. The extended continental shelf would facilitate better management and protection of marine biodiversity in the region. 4. Promotion of peaceful resolution. It would encourage peaceful resolution of maritime disputes through legal channels rather than aggressive actions. 5. Stability in the region. Clarifying maritime boundaries helps maintain stability and reduces the risk of conflicts in the South China Sea. 6. International law compliance. Upholding UNCLOS principles promotes adherence to international law, fostering respect for rules-based order in maritime affairs. 7. Resource management. Extending the continental shelf allows for sustainable management of fisheries, all land gas resources, and other marine economic activities. 8. Economic benefits. It would provide economic opportunities for the Philippines through enhanced access to resources and potential economic activities. 9. Security enhancement. Clear maritime boundaries contribute to maritime security and the protection of Philippine interests in the region. 10. Regional cooperation. Resolving boundary issues through UNCLOS mechanisms promotes regional cooperation and confidence-building measures. 11. Deterrence against aggression. A clear legal framework and extended continental shelf serve as a deterrent against aggressive actions by other claimants in the South China Sea. 12. Support for international order. Granting the extension supports the international order based on UNCLOS, reinforcing the Philippines' commitment to peaceful and lawful maritime governance. These reasons underscore the importance of granting the extension of the continental shelf of Palawan Island to uphold Philippine sovereignty, promote regional stability, and deter aggressive claims in the South China Sea, West Philippine Sea. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the West Philippine Sea and South China Sea. We've just scratched the surface of this complex region, and there's so much more to uncover. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for future episodes, where we'll dive deeper into the history, geopolitics, and environmental impact of these vital waters. Your support keeps us going, so hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more insightful content. Until next time, take care and keep exploring with us.